is.
That's cool.
Yeah. Go ahead and press it. It's 100% charged. Don't get your fingers right there. What do you think?
I wonder.
Let's try that thing, see what it does.
Try what thing?
Like move that thing around.
I don't know what that does.
I don't know what it does either.
I have to read it. Can you figure out by...
There's a booklet with it.
It sounds really low, whatchamacallit?
Well, it's at, you know, here's the different heads. Look, so you got this one and this one. You got this one. I think that's a nose clipper. And there's the four guards.
Yeah.
So you may have to read this. And it came with this bottle of stuff. I don't know what that is.
That's for lubricating and stuff.
Okay. And then this is a USB-C charger. So you have to have your own block.
So what is the dial for?
Right there.
Oh, the dial is the length. However, I'll have to try it.
We'll have to give it a shot and see what we think.
Okay, cool.
All right. Bam. Done.
Bam.
Whoa. Yeah.
Sit out for
You're welcome.